Look where we're at again. Burger Shack. Hope they cook our French fries this time.
There you go.
Get something good to eat?
I hope so. Here, I gotta get
Ah, land, that's big.
I know. You might be really thirsty. Don't drop that. It's that evil.
Man, half a gallon.
Oh.
It's a lot to drink.
Well, I don't know what to do. She marked it. I'll have to look and see.
Yeah, you can tell by tasting it. Now where are we going?
That one's yours, Dr. P.
Where are we going?
Probably Lake Malone.
Have a picnic?
Probably in the van. I think it's going to almost be too windy.
Yeah, we're trying to out our new camper van.
Yeah.
It's not done yet.
Yep.
Got to test it.
Yep.
Let's go test.
Okay. One cheeseburger, one. Okay. Okay.
All right. Yeah, Twig's still here.
Yeah.
What's his name?
Oakley. Was that a test?
There's a Lake Malone.
You can see the water. Look at there. You can see the water through the trees.
Right where we left it. This would be a good spot. Got restrooms right there. If it starts to rain, we get under here.
It's not supposed to rain till the night.
Can't never tell.
I know, because it looks like it could.
Oh. I like my new running board. You like yours?
Yep.
Yours is bigger. Yeah. Test out the van. Little camping trip.
How you gonna do this?
Any way you want to. Heck, it's not cold, is it?
No.
Feels nice.
I mean,
I just done sit up here. You can see the water.
well, where you want to sit?
I don't know. Could put our chairs up.
Oh, that's kind of what I thought you might do. There's your fries.
Did they cook? I think they have.
There's my nuggets.
Good.
Here's your burger, but you've got bacon on yours.
Oh no.
Get your tray up so you can actually eat. Here's ketchup. And here's you some salt. I got another packet of salt if you need it. You need it?
Right.
I bet we don't see boats this time.
Probably not. Good. Yeah. First picnic. Let's go walk. Worked real good. Still got work to do. We'll get it done, won't we? Not much leaves left now.
Fall on nuts.
All of them. They need some squirrels up here. Not enough squirrels. Getting cold and windy.
Rather than hot and 80 like it was last time.
Yeah. Good guy down there fishing. Yeah, he's more open than he used to be.
Yeah, he is.
Catching anything? Don't look like it.
We gotta have a hook first.
Yeah, he done got it reeled in, hadn't he?
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh.
You take a bath in here too?
No, what's this?
Hey,
Just a
bring your water hose. You can take one right there. There's plenty of room to picnic up here. Plenty of room. Even got lights.
Yeah, I started to flip them on, see if they work.
And it's locked right now. I've got the main breaker off.
Well,
It'll work at night.
then that would answer the question. I guess they don't have power up here either. Probably have to get it turned on.
Yeah.
Because if not, you'd have people abusing it probably.
Yeah. We tested it out.
Oh,
We know what we need now.
I don't know.
Need a couple flip out tables.
Oh, well.
What else? Some storage.
Yeah,
Put a blow up bed in the back.
yeah,
Need to get the headliner in.
yeah.
Yeah, we'll get her done. We'll get back to the garage. Yeah, let's go.
Let's go.
We can get it fixed.